Like most high-rise buildings, the 43-story commercial office building headquarters of Martin Selig Real Estate requires pressure-boosting equipment to raise incoming municipal pressure to reach upper floors. Confronted by a failing water booster pump, Chief Engineer Phil Boyd began exploring repair options initially estimated at $17,000.
He wanted to repair the number 2 pump, and I looked at that and I said, Phil, I think the better option would be that we look at a Grundfos BoosterpaQ. It's got a smart controller. It'll deliver constant pressure and also save you a whole lot of energy. We can have Roger Weldon, our optimization engineer, come out here to the site, hook up our equipment, monitor what your building's actually requires for water.
The pump audit's a very powerful tool. What we do is we measure the flow and the pressure and the power for approximately a 2-week period, and then we process that all into a report format that can be used to estimate savings and also to acquire utility incentives.
The building's old pressure boosting system ran at constant full speed, and pressure was controlled by regulating valves that reduced the system's efficiency.
The old system had one 20 horse and two 30 horsepower. The 20 horsepower was a jockey pump that pretty much ran 24 hours a day. It was a lot more high maintenance and also less energy efficient.
The solution was the Grundfos Hydro MPC BoosterpaQ, an integrated intelligent pressure boosting system that delivers the exact pressure necessary to achieve optimal performance. Ideal for water supply systems as well as municipal boosting, water transfer, and industrial applications, these integrated systems use an advanced controller to adjust pump speed and stage additional pumps as necessary to meet specific pressure demand. The state-of-the-art Hydro MPC BoosterpaQ is equipped with highly efficient and reliable Grundfos CR vertical multi-stage centrifugal pumps. Each pump is coupled to a 7.5 horsepower Grundfos MLE integrated variable speed drive and motor. Pump performance curves are loaded into the Hydro MPC BoosterpaQ controller, which selects the most efficient combination of pumps and speeds to precisely match flow and pressure demand. The ability to adjust the pumping system output based on demand was the primary reason the Grundfos BoosterpaQ reduced energy consumption for this building.
The old system had PRVs. The Grundfos BoosterpaQ has variable speed drives. All the pump curves are loaded into the smart control panel. It was a piece of cake.
The savings in moving from a constant speed pumping system to a variable speed demand-based platform were impressive. An average 86% reduction in energy use, $7,600 per year in energy savings, and approximately $2,500 per year reduction in maintenance cost. One way to leverage these savings and boost the company's return on its capital investment is to apply for a utility incentive.
We provide incentives to encourage customers to purchase more energy efficient equipment and innovative technologies. It's really a win-win for Seattle City Light, our customers, and our ratepayers.
After the Grundfos Hydro MPC BoosterpaQ was installed, the utility monitored power consumption over a 2-week period. The resulting utility incentive, a one-time payment of $29,328, made the shift to the energy-efficient technology very attractive.
The Seattle City Light Incentive Program really helped us make the decision to go with the new system. We anticipate that payback will be within 5 years.
Due to the performance success and savings made possible by the Grundfos integrated pressure boosting system at the company's headquarters and 2 other downtown Seattle buildings, Martin Selig Real Estate has lowered the power consumption in each building, improved the reliability of the pressure boosting systems for its commercial tenants, virtually eliminated the annual maintenance cost for each system, avoided costly repairs, and increased the value of their properties.
With the incentives, plus the higher efficiency modern system, it's a lot less maintenance. It was an easy decision.